Turning on captions enhances the accessibility of your recorded video. With this feature, you can view subtitles in real time as everyone speaks, making it easier for participants to follow along. Plus, you can also get the transcript from the caption after the meeting. Here's how you can enable captions for your viewing during a meeting. First, navigate to Google, meet on your computer, and join a meeting. Once in the meeting, click the button shown below to turn captions on. These captions will only be visible to you, allowing for a personalized meeting experience. If you wish to turn off the captions at any point, click on the same button. Now that you know how to enable captions, let's talk about turning on transcripts. The Transcripts feature is available for Google Workspace customers. So first, check if your Google Workspace edition includes this feature. Once you've confirmed that, navigate back to the meeting and look for the Activities button at the bottom right of your screen. Click it, then select Transcripts, followed by Start Transcription. Once transcription begins, you'll see a Transcripts icon appear at the top left for all meeting participants. To stop the transcription later, just click Activities, then Transcripts, and select Stop Transcription. Keep in mind the transcripts automatically stop when all participants leave the meeting. After the meeting, the transcript will be emailed to key participants, including the host, co-hosts, and anyone who activated the transcription feature. So that's how you can not only enable live captions, but also capture a full transcript of your meeting. For a more enhanced experience, consider integrating Tactiq into your Google Meet sessions. Tactiq offers features like AI-powered summarization, helping you convert discussions into actionable insights. Head to tactiq.io to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Google Meet tips and tricks.